Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and today I will be sharing this unboxing here that someone had sent to me. I'm going to unbox it here for y'all. And before I get started, I would just like to say if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Also share my videos. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would please subscribe and click the bell for all notifications and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you, especially if you're a new subscriber. If you are a subscriber, please make sure, like I said, you do watch my videos and make sure that you have clicked the bell for all notifications so that you'll be notified from YouTube when I do videos. And yeah, just make sure you have clicked the bell. You know, at least you don't always have to leave a comment, but I do love to hear from you when it lets me know that you are enjoying my content. And if there's something that you would like to see or whatever, just, you know, let me know. But I know that I get a lot of new people or visitors that come on sometimes, and actually a lot of the subscribers I've noticed are actually not watching. I have quite a few regular subscribers that watch, but it seems like actual subscribers are not watching. So I just wanted to let all my subscribers to know, if you would, I'd love it if you would please watch and you know, let me know what's going on, how are you doing. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. Alrighty, I think I've got this set up. First of all, I just want to thank Miss Toni for sending this. I'm so excited. I got this yesterday. Did not have a chance to open it. It's been staring at me and all day long, today and yesterday, and I'm like, oh, I want to open this. But as they say, you know, work before play, and I just kept wanting to open it, which I could have actually, you know, but I wanted to let y'all see it as well, because I promised that I would, you know, on one of my vlogs that I would show y'all. So when I get into this, now she did tell me that there was something in here that was just for me, that I was not supposed to show online, so I told her okay. Love to get happy mail, little gifts, and with everything that I've been going through, it just really thrills me. I don't always get little gifts. Oh, and I sure need these right now, because I tell you what, we've had mice living apparently in our storage building, and they got through everything, all of our boxes, our dish towels, our dishes, our clothing, any clothing I had in storage, everything has to be washed thoroughly, because there's mice droppings on everything. Oh, it is just terrible. So, oh, I'm needing these right now. Brand new dish towels. Thank you so much. Oh, definitely need those. And some dish rags to match. Thank you. Oh, Toni, what a blessing. Yep. And I see some other new things too. Yay. Awesome, awesome. Okay, this do not open envelope on camera. Okay, so I will not open that right now. Matter of fact, you know what? Let me pause this. I'm going to open this and then I'll come back to y'all, okay? Oh my. You just touched my heart. So I will show you the card that she sent me. She did a beautiful little card. I'll tell you what, she's really touched my heart, y'all. I think I'm about to cry. She sent me all this beautiful things. So let's just see. Yeah, she's got dish towels and some, there's 2 dish rags or dishcloths, and this is a 5-pack dishcloths here, and these are the 2 kitchen towels, and I like these neutral colors here. And let's see what else we got. Oh, I'm about to cry. All-purpose clips. I love these things. These are great for everything. For the kitchen, for holding things together in the craft room, for your chips, and all kinds of things. I love these little clips. So thank you. I don't have any of this kind. But these will definitely come in handy. I like the coated ones. I've seen other people get these. I don't think I've even seen these at any of our stores. So those will definitely come in handy. Because I don't even know where any of my clips are right now. And, oh, this is neat. I think I've seen Jean get one of these one time before or something. I've seen someone get one. So I like that. You know, that's going to come in handy too for some cleaning. Because I tell you what, I've been having to do some heavy duty cleaning. Maybe it'll help me clean the oven racks, because I have not yet been able to get those clean. So maybe that'll help me with that. So thank you. I like how it's got a handle, so that'll help me hold on to it too. Thank you so much. That's definitely going to come in handy. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at that pretty pen. I love these. Thank you. I love these for when I take pictures of like my on Instagram, when I do Bible journaling or any of my journals, or which I haven't gotten to do any of my journals or anything lately, but yeah, I love using those pens and with my backgrounds and stuff. So that one's pretty too. Thank you. I love that. And let's see, I got 2 things to unwrap, so I'll unwrap those in a minute. Oh, these are nice. Ooh, definitely needed some new ones of these. I like these. That is good. So that's good. I'm going to just throw my others away since those are little mice poop all over them. Ooh, and got some measuring spoons too. Awesome. That is good. Oh, what pretty wooden spoons. Oh, those are so pretty. Almost too pretty to use. They really are. Oh, my husband, he's running them. Oh, yeah. I have to find a place to like hang those up or something because they're so pretty. I like those. Thank you. I don't know where you found those. Had to been Target, right? They always have the pretty stuff at Target. That's where my daughter likes to shop. And let's see. Now we'll open these other 2 things. So I'm going to move the box. Let's move the box now that I've got them down. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's something she's made. Oh, she is such a talented crafter, y'all. If y'all don't know her, you should follow her on Instagram. We're always telling her to, She ought to like sell her stuff or something. Look how beautiful. Oh, Toni, you have outdone yourself. I was seeing some of these that you made. This is beautiful. I hope y'all can see this. I will definitely take a picture of this and post it on my Instagram so y'all can see this better. Hopefully y'all follow me there and on my Facebook as well. I'll put a picture at the end too so y'all can see it at the end of this video. Look at the little danglies she's got. She's got these beautiful flowers here. And the little cameo there. And this little jewel here. And it's just, oh, look at all this. It's just beautiful. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's magnetic. Okay. Look, there's another surprise. Okay, it's like a little box in a book. Oh, she is so talented. She does all these neat 3D packages. Or 3D paper crafts, that's what I'm trying to say. I don't do a lot of 3D things. Sometimes I do. I used to do some. Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you so much. I love that. That is gorgeous. Thank you, Toni. Oh, bless your heart. Thank you so much. You are just the sweetest. Oh, bless your heart. You really put a lot of thought into all this. My goodness, you outdid yourself. Tell you what, when you said you were going to send me a package, I was not expecting all this. Ah, and some new silverware. Bless your heart. Thank you. Oh, bless your heart. Thank you so much. You are just the sweetest thing. Never have enough silverware, can we? Oh, goodness, Toni, I don't even know what to say. I am so overwhelmed at everything that you sent me. Oh, my goodness, I really am. I tell you what. So, y'all need to make sure and go see, I will post her Instagram under my video because y'all really need to go follow her on Instagram. You should just go see all the amazing things that she can make. She makes things every day, I think. I mean, she's so talented. I just love her. She's so sweet. She's a southern lady like me. So anyway, thank you, Toni. Love you, girl. And like I said, y'all make sure and give this video lots of love and thumbs up. And share and comment, all that fun jazz. And I will be doing another vlog. Didn't know if I was going to get to do one today. There was some things going on I could have, but it's just gotten so late and I've got to get this video up and post and everything. And so I probably won't be able to do one today. So I will do one tomorrow and let y'all know what all's happened for today and tomorrow. And I will be doing a walkthrough of the apartment because someone had asked me about how big the apartment is and what it looks like and all that. Now the apartment's not set up or anything yet, so you know I was going to wait to do all that. But since I've had some questions about it and everything, I'll go ahead and just let y'all kind of see and all that. And then, of course, I'll do a complete walkthrough when it is finally done. But we'll do that. I don't know if I'll do that tomorrow or the next day of the walkthrough, but we'll see how it goes. Just see how much I've got to talk about tomorrow, because I know I've got quite a bit to let y'all know on some things. But anyway, again, thank you so much, Toni. My heart is just overwhelmed. God bless you. Just thank you from the very bottom of my heart. Like I said, I can't say thank you enough. I really can't. I'm just so touched at everything. I really am. I just was not expecting all this. I just never have gotten something like this before in my life. So thank you so much, and I will see y'all again soon. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. Love y'all.